7 mystery crime riddles only a true detective can solve. Let's start. Number 7. Jailbreak. You have 15 seconds to answer. Jack should use the shovel to make a pile of dirt under the window, climb on it, and escape from his cell. Number 6. A stolen necklace. You have 15 seconds to answer. The police were sure that Mrs. Smith lied to them because the window was broken from the inside. If it was broken from the outside, little pieces of glass would be on the room's floor. Number 5. Murder at school. You have 15 seconds to answer. The killer was a math teacher. According to his words, he was holding a mid-year test, but the crime happened on the first day of the school year. Number 4. A lonely man. You have 15 seconds to answer. It was obviously the mailman. He knew that no one in this house would read a newspaper on Wednesday or Thursday. Number 3. 2 pills. You have 15 seconds to answer. Both of the pills were harmless. The poison was in the glass of water the victim drank. Number 2. Frozen window. You have 15 seconds to answer. John wouldn't be able to unfreeze the window glass because it's usually icy on the inside. Number 1. Chemical substances. You have 15 seconds to answer. The piece of paper had a clue on it. If you combine the short names of the chemical substances on the paper, you'll get a name, Nicholas. Did you get all the right answer? Tell me in the comments how many riddles did you solve without any mistakes?